Tabitha, and have I got a deal for you. What I have here is basically every occupational therapy practitioner's dream. It is an all-inclusive occupational therapy pediatric treatment kit. Inside of this very compact bag is everything that you would need to effectively treat your pediatric clients. And in the next few moments, we're going to take a closer look at a few of the many activities within this kit. And to help me out, I'm going to introduce you guys to my special friend, Phil. Say hello to Phil.
Hello, everyone.
This kit is perfect for a wide range of pediatric ages and includes all of the activities shown here. A manual booklet is also provided to show multiple ways to use each activity based upon the age and therapeutic needs of your client. This kit has everything from bubbles and crayons to word games and crafts that appeal to all clients from ages 2 all the way to 17. A few of the items include a fun toy car with large wheels that's easy to maneuver and for small hands to grasp and move around. A pack of 72 multicolored craft sticks, perfect for working on fine motor skills and both imaginative and constructive play. There are so many possible activities that can be achieved with this one simple item. A magnetic clothing animal play kit that comes with 13 different pieces. It's the perfect tool to help teach children dressing ADLs, how to choose appropriate clothing, and body part recognition. Kids could even make a social story with this silly little lion.
This kit is full of activities that address a variety of deficits that children may be experiencing, such as issues of body awareness and sensory processing, deficits in eye-hand coordination, fine and gross motor skills, bilateral coordination, and more. The activities in this treatment kit are based upon a variety of different frames of references, such as the rehabilitation frame of reference, biomechanical, behavioral, cognitive behavioral, developmental, and sensory integration. Cerebral palsy, autism spectrum disorders, developmental delays, and sensory issues are just a few of the conditions that can be addressed with this kit.
The first item we're going to look at today are the wooden blocks. And we're going to highlight just a few of the many possible treatment activities you could do with this one simple product.
You can have the child build a tower with the blocks. This would incorporate fine motor skills, finger dexterity, as well as bringing hands to midline and crossing midline, working on bilateral coordination.
This activity would also help with sequencing, motor planning, and constructive play. You could build a tower and have the child try to replicate the tower that you built. This activity is easy to grade up or down by making the patterns simple or more difficult for the child to copy.
You can have the child count the number of blocks.
1, 2, 3,
You could
4,
also add in some
5,
simple addition and subtraction.
6,
So if you were to take 2 blocks away, what would that leave you with?
4,
Another fun activity would be to have the child balance the blocks on their tummy and crab walk around the room. Crab walking forces the child to move their body against gravity. This stimulates proprioception and causes the child to pay attention, which promotes body awareness. This activity also helps with motor planning, bilateral integration, as well as range of motion and strength building. This game would be great for children with sensory processing issues, such as those on the autism spectrum, as well as helping improve low muscle tone.
The next activity we're going to look at is bubble blowing. As you can see, we have a lot of different bubble makers, and we're going to look at all the different things that we can do therapeutically with blowing bubbles.
Blowing bubbles is a fun and effective activity for therapy because of all the different body movements it requires,
including the extension and flexion of the upper body. And since he's standing, it's including trunk muscles and leg muscles as well. He's doing a lot of rotation of the trunk in order to reach bubbles. And as you can see, he's crossing midline
and he's bringing his hands to midline. It's also great fine motor control of not only the hands as they have to grasp onto these small bubble wands, but it's also a fine motor skill of the mouth, having to form shapes to make the bubbles. As you can see, bubble blowing requires detailed fine motor movements of the mouth and oral muscles. An activity like this would be perfect for clients with conditions that result in low muscle tone, such as Down syndrome, to help them increase their ability to make precise movements with their mouths. Another bubble blowing activity would be to challenge the child to count the number of bubbles before they pop.
2, 1, 3.
The next activity we're going to look at is the beach ball. Super simple, super portable. All you have to do is let the air out and it'll fit right back in the bag. Let's see what all the fun stuff we can do with the beach ball. You can play catch with the child. This promotes gross motor skills and the larger ball can be easier to grasp. The child can toss the ball into the air and clap and count in ascending order before the ball comes back down again. This is an easy way to grade the activity up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You could have the child hit the ball with their head. This promotes vestibular feedback, body awareness, eye-hand coordination, and gross motor function. The child can bounce the ball on their feet. This helps to improve balance and bilateral coordination. Those items are just a few of the many therapeutic activities that are possible with the purchase of this kit. And as you can see, all of the items fit back neatly into the cute, kid-friendly bag, making this kit easy to take with you on the go. The bag even comes with a liquid hand sanitizer for on-the-spot sanitizing of hands and toys. This bag can be yours for only $19.99. That's right, the bag filled with all of the activities that you see here is being sold for today only, just $19.99.
Wait, there's more!
For today only, with the purchase of your kit, I'm adding in 4 extra activities specifically targeted for toddlers with shaken baby syndrome. It can be hard to talk about shaken baby syndrome due to its tragic nature, but if you have clients that suffer from this diagnosis, then you must buy this kit. Toddlers with shaken baby syndrome can suffer from many different symptoms such as developmental delays, short attention spans, and visual impairments. Toys were hand-picked to specifically target those symptoms. They include a variety of bright colors and flashing lights and sounds that are sure to grab the attention of your client. Let's look at one of them, shall we? The Bob and Learn guitar. Turn it on.
As you can see, this toy is full of arousing stimuli that would be perfect to use with your shaken baby clients. This toy specifically has big buttons that are easy to hit and give verbal and musical feedback along with bright flashing lights. With shaken baby syndrome, it can be difficult to keep the child interested in the activity due to symptoms such as poor vision and short attention spans. That's why it's beneficial with these clients to have toys with lights and stimulating noises to keep them engaged during therapy.
These toys are very important because they create an action and reaction. So the child knows and can learn that when it touches a button, it gets a response. And the bright lights and the loud noises are sure to stimulate the child and keep their attention. So that's right, for today only, you can get all of the items listed in this kit, including the 4 specially targeted toys specifically for toddlers with shaken baby syndrome. And I'll even add in this box of wet wipes, all for one low payment of $19.99. That's right, $19.99. If you are an OT professional, you are not going to be able to get this type of price for a pediatric treatment kit anywhere else. So make sure that you contact us today.